So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you do go on to watching this video, at the end of this video you should understand what CPA marketing is all about and how to actually do get some traffic to your CPA marketing offers even as a beginner right here. So make sure you do watch this video to the end and actually utilize the strategy right here which you're going to learn right now in today's video. And without further ado and more delay of time, let's jump right ahead into today's video. So guys, if you don't know what CPA marketing is all about, CPA marketing is actually a specific type of affiliate marketing whereby as an affiliate marketing you just need to go into convincing people to purchase a product. But in CPA marketing you don't actually need to convince anyone to go on to purchasing any product. All you need to do is to convince them to do simple tasks like signing up to a website, submitting their email addresses or phone numbers while going through a survey, downloading and installing an application. And guys, all those simple tasks which you direct people to do right there using your unique affiliate link, you're actually going to be getting some cool commission for directing them to do so. And this is quite amazing because you can actually start getting thousands and thousands of leads since people are not actually going to purchasing any product before you do get paid right now. And if you do that guys, you should be able to start making some cool cash via any CPA marketing platform out there. And this platform right now called the CPA Grip is actually a CPA marketing platform which you could take advantage of right now. And guys, you could use this platform to go on to getting other CPA marketing offers out there. And guys, you could see right now guys that if you're not registered on this platform, it's quite easy to go on to registering. Just simply click on register, or you'll be brought to this page right here. And once you're brought to this page, fill out these details appropriately. Fill out your first name, the company name, the website. But you can actually just skip out the sections that are actually having this red asterisk, that are not having this red asterisk signs, because the red asterisk signs actually indicate the field which you must go on to fill in before your account can be created. So you want to just simply fill out your first name, your last name. You can skip out the company and website name, fill out the address, the country, city, and just simply go on to filling out each and every section right here. Agree to the terms of services and actually do go on to clicking on register. And in no time guys, your account should be approved and be created immediately. Then you can then be brought to the dashboard of your account. And you can actually see right in the dashboard of your account where you can actually go on to checking out the public chat and actually see how much individuals are earning with this platform right now. And you can see right now that this person actually has earned an all-time of $85,000 or $85 right here with 1,400 leads. This person right here yesterday earned about $12 right now, and you can see people are actually earning with this particular platform. If you do keep on scrolling guys, you'll be able to see more details about how much people are actually earning on this platform right now, and you can just simply be among such individuals. And for you to go on to getting offers which you want to promote right now, you want to just simply go into the offer tools and do click on my offers. If you do that right now guys, the offers are actually going to go on to loading up and you'll be able to see offers available to other demographics out there. You could just simply go on to filtering your offers to a specific demographic. Supposing I want to promote offers to the United Kingdom, I'm just going to go on to selecting that right there, which is the United Kingdom. And if I do select the United Kingdom, it's going to load through and show me only offers available to that demographic right now. And there are quite some types of offers right here based on category. There are actually the mobile install offer, the pin submit offer, email and zip submit offer, credit card submit offers. And guys, you can see right now that the mobile install offers actually require your leads to go on to installing an application before you do get paid right here. For the pin submit offer, it actually requires your leads to submit their phone numbers while going through a survey, and you do get paid. While for the credit card / zip submit and the email / zip submit offer right here are actually offers that require your leads to go on to submitting their credit card details and also email and zip code right there respectively while going through a survey, and you do get paid some cool cash right now. And you can just simply go to checking out offers right here via this section. I usually prefer selecting sweepstake offers that are actually the email and zip submit offers. And if I do select this offer right now, you should be able to see more details about this offer that is actually for a giveaway of 500 euros Morrison gift card right now. And the amount which you do earn for every qualified lead is $1.50. You can see right now there is also an Apple iOS offer and an email that zip submit offer. Here right now is your unique affiliate link which you could just simply copy and go on to promoting this offer right now. And guys, if you do go on to copying that, the next step which you want to do right now is to make sure you do go on to creating a landing page, and that is quite important. And you can then just simply utilize this platform right here, which is called sites.google.com. This is quite an amazing platform where you could just simply go on to utilizing right now. And the cool thing about this platform is that it is actually a free platform. Once you actually do have a Google account or are registered on Google, you can gain access to this platform for absolutely free right now. So if you do keep on scrolling right here, you could just simply come right here, click on blank, or you could then just simply go to checking out one of these particular landing page which I've created right here in the past about this CPA marketing offers right there. But if you want to just simply create one from scratch, just simply click on this blank right here, then you will be brought to a page where you can actually do go on to editing your CPA marketing offers yourself. Right now guys, you could just simply come right here and actually do go on to changing the title. You could change the title, you could add in other stuff, you could change the background image right there. But guys, you want to make sure you do take out much of your time to go on to creating a landing page, as that is actually quite important in helping you get qualified leads to sort CPA marketing offers. So you can actually do go on to taking out much of your time to set everything. Then once you are done guys, you could just simply add in a button, and that button could just be something like click here. I will be written on top of that button, and maybe for instance you wanted to just simply go on to add in a link to that section. You just want to make sure you do highlight that particular text right there, go on to this chain icon and actually do click on paste right now. And if you do click on enter, this person right here, a link has been added to that person, and once somebody do go on to clicking on him right now, it's also going to redirect them to that particular link which I actually use for this section right here. So you want to make sure you do take out much of your time, settle down to go on to creating a landing page that actually do have a good conversion rates right there. And if you do go on to creating a cool landing page right now, you can then just simply go on to publishing the landing page by clicking on publish, select the domain right now, and actually use that to your advantage. So once you do create a cool landing page right there, which is actually linked to your CPA marketing offer, what you want to do right now is to just simply use this platform called Quora.com to actually do start driving traffic to your CPA marketing offers. And guys, this is quite amazing right here, because this platform is actually also a free platform where you can actually do go on to posting or publishing stuff right here for absolutely free and start getting traffic to your CPA marketing offers using this particular platform right now. So if you do head on to Quora right here, Quora is basically a place where people actually do go on to asking questions, and people's questions are also being answered. And if you do come right here guys, you're going to be able to see some of the notifications right now. Right here in this section guys, this actually stands for the spaces, and these spaces are just like groups right now. You can see this section is actually for the answers section, where you can actually do go on to seeing out answers to some questions, or you just want to make sure you go on to drop in your own answers yourself. As you can see right now, this question says, is it bad to drink milk with lemon? You can actually do go on to copying this particular text right here. Even though you don't know the answer, copy the text and actually do head onto this platform called ChatGPT to actually go on to providing this answer to this question. So if I do click on enter right now, you can see that ChatGPT actually went on to generating an answer to this particular question right now. And guys, if once this answer has actually been generated, what you want to do right now is to just simply go on to copying the answer right here. If you do copy the answer, head back to Quora and actually do go on to clicking on answer right now. If you do click on answer, you want to just simply go on to drop in your reply right here by clicking on this section. And if you do paste that right here, as a reply. You also have to fix in your CPA marketing offer right here into this particular post in one cool and amazing section. You could just simply split that in right there, and after the first paragraph right here, or you could just simply fix that in at the end. So you want to just simply be creative while fixing that CPA marketing offer link right there, or that link to your landing page right now. So kind of try being professional right now, and actually do go on to putting it somewhere in between this particular post right here that can actually do help you get traffic, because once people actually engage in that particular post, they will be able to go on to reading that section also, and if they are interested, they can actually do help you promote this particular CPA marketing offer once you actually do go on to posting it right here by completing one of them. So this is an amazing strategy which you could take advantage of right now. You could actually go on to answering as many questions as you can right here on this platform, and also go on to providing answers yourself and actually start getting traffic to your CPA marketing offer. Or you could just simply go on to taking advantage of Facebook right here by utilizing the Facebook groups. So if I do head on to facebook.com right now, I'm just going to go on to this section, click on groups, and you want to just simply search for groups that are actually related to the CPA marketing offer which you are promoting. So if I'm promoting a gift card offer, I'm just going to come right here and type in gift card. So if I do search for gift cards right here, I'll be able to see lots and lots of gift card related groups where you can actually do go on to join in for absolutely free right now. And the amazing thing about this is that each groups are actually having thousands and thousands of members that are actually interested in getting a free gift card. And if you just simply go on to join in that particular group right there, you can actually do take advantage of that as a group member to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer. So this is also a strategy right here, because a lot of people are interested in getting that particular product for absolutely free, but you're actually going to be giving them that for free. But because once they actually do complete that offer, they stand a chance of actually winning that particular gift card giveaway. So you want to just simply go on to using this exact same strategy right now, which you did use on Quora on this platform called YouTube right now. So make sure you do actually go on to using this exact same strategy if you want to just simply make money with CPA marketing, even as a beginner right here. And guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, simply go to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure your notification bells is turned on all. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.